welcome
Hey,
to
guys.
another Dino Beast video.
Anyways, welcome to another one of Dino Beast videos. Today we are going to be what's the pause button? Nice. I say today we're still at Penang. Okay, I got like I think 3 days, 2 nights. 1 night already spent, I guess. Yeah. Ta-da! Still at Penang. Huh? Oh, come on. Alright guys, let's
And
continue.
how about me?
My papa wants to.
Seeing you.
Oh, okay. Oh, we got dog. What's that? What the? Okay, I have no idea what that did. Let's say today we're at this farm. Oh, there's goats. Hello. Look at this goat. Oh. Ha. Oh, I think that took a photo. Oh, it's goose. What, you a dinosaur? Damn, they're dinosaurs, aren't they? It's an ostrich. Guys. It's a little ostrich.
That's a very huge ostrich.
It's easy. Alright, next we're gonna head up. Here's the goat farm, right? There's the goat farm. Apparently, the only purpose these goats serve is to like create milk, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, come on. Huh? Why?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Miss.
Close?
It's closed.
Why? Why is it close? Goats over here. The ostrich is over there. I have a lot of baby goats in there though. I've been there before just now. Ostrich is probably one of my favorites. Is it even eating that? It's just chewing on it for fun, I don't know.
He's actually eating leaf.
Oh, what is that?
And then we just tried to
Alright.
just feed him some leaf and then
There's a lot of things to try out. Oh! They have porcupines? Oh, wait. Oh. Porcupines. I already stepped on it. So they have porcupines. Stuff like that. It's really sick. Yeah, Penang. It's quite interesting, you know. Try a lot of things in
Yeah.
life. Like say they have chickens. That's all. Oh, where's the rooster? That was a rooster. What up? Oh, that's the rooster. Not sure if y'all can see. You don't see it? I don't know. It's kind of bright. Ah, yeah, the rooster is there. I was there. Ha. Yeah, Penang, there's like a lot of things you can try out. Such as their food. It's kind of interesting, you know. It's food, there's like a lot to try here at Penang. It's quite interesting. Oh, it's a goat. Oh, baby goat. Baby goat, guys. Baby goat.
So adorable, you see.
Guys, you won't believe it. The sugar gliders. Oh no, not that one. Not sure if y'all can see it. They have hedgehogs. Some of the hedgehog. Oh,
Yeah, they got
sick. Oh, they have guinea pigs. More guinea pigs. They have dogs. They even have a cat, like right there. Oh, more guinea pigs here. This is kind of sick, actually. I enjoy a lot here. It's probably one of the best places I might enjoy. The goats are my favorite part, to be honest. Goats just look so cute, like their eyes and everything just look so innocent. Even their horns, it looks so cool. So I might end the video here, guys. Please stick around.
and me.
Come on. Say here will be the end of the video. Just wanna showcase this area because I thought it was like it's kind of cool, you know. We just wanna showcase around here.
Yeah,
Oh, is the goat farm open now? Hold up.
Nothing. Well, we can go inside, but I
enter now? I don't know.
Well, I think
They said the place was closed. I don't know. The place closed?
and then we just didn't know.
Yeah, it's closed.
Yeah.
You can see it. This place is really big. There's like a lot of cool things over here. Really sick if you ask me.
Yeah.
The ostrich is really funny. It's really funny if you ask me. Ostriches are cool and everything. This will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy, I guess.
Yeah, and then.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. See you all in the next video. Goodbye.